Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you the fastest way to collect stone in Heartopia for the new sand sculpting hobby. So as you probably know, sand sculpting is the newest hobby in Heartopia. And then before you can start the sculpting, you need to craft the sand base. And the important thing is that its sand base can only be used once. So if you want to keep leveling up this hobby, you will need to craft a lot of them. And then to craft a sand base, you need a stone and quality timber. And in here I have already covered how to get the quality timber in another video. It comes from the large tree without fruit. And then now for this stone, it's actually super easy. Just look for the white or cream color stone around your house like this. And then next just equip your axe like this, and then after that just hit this stone by tap on the X button like this, just like this. And the stone usually give you at least 3 stone, making it one of the easiest material to farm. And then you can just walk around again until you get more stone, like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!